Recently, we announced support for Carpe Iter controllers on Garmin Thread Overland devices. The Overland is actually very important because it doesn't work on the Power Sports edition, because there are different operating systems. So Overland edition, and this is how it works. Okay, let's agree to that. We have now an active route. Okay, sorry about that. I just started the device and there was something in the memory. So this is how it looks on the navigating screen. I will be covering it in more detail later, but I should probably start with the main map screen that shows when there is no active navigation, because it unfortunately works a bit differently. So let's just stop the navigation, and yeah, we could have done that with the controller anyway. Finger works too. So let's just open the map, and this is the main map screen which shows while there is no navigation. It looks just about the same, but unfortunately it's not exactly the same. So the controller doesn't work here immediately. You first need to pan and get to a different map view. I'm going to be calling this map free roaming mode, because I don't know how Garmin calls it. As you can see, there is no information line at the bottom, and this is the free map without navigation, without tracks, that you need to see to be able to take full control through the controller. So you get obviously the zooming, map panning, and you can revert back to your current position. Here you would be also getting the map orientation, but unfortunately with this view the zooming buttons are not really working. In order to make them work, as I was showing before, you just need to simply pan the map, and then all works the way it should and lets you explore the map. But the chances are that you would be anyway mostly using it while being navigated when you have an active routing, and I'm going to show you that in a bit. So now we have active navigation started, and on that screen it works just the same way. You get the map panning, zooming, and map centering on the long press on the button to get you back on the screen where you normally are. On the main screen you also get zooming, and here you also get map orientation. But once you start panning the map, you enter to the free roaming, or how to call it, mode, which changes the view, but it lets you really explore the map fully without touching the screen. And reverting back, just recenter, long press on the map centering button, and you are back on the main navigation screen. So that you can somehow get the guidance. So this is Carpe Iter controller, or Garmin Thread Overland edition. I'm showing you now the adventure control, but the functionality is exactly the same on our other controllers, be it the terrain command or the new BMW control. The functions will be the same. Obviously the shape and the mechanical elements of the controllers are different. These are the buttons for the BMW control, for instance, but the functionality is going to be the same. Thanks.